How can software testers effectively convert requirements into test cases? Introduction. Converting requirements into test cases is a critical aspect of the software testing process. The goal is to ensure that the software meets the specified requirements and functions as intended. By following these steps, software testers can effectively convert requirements into test cases, ensuring comprehensive coverage and a higher likelihood of identifying and resolving issues early in the development process. Here's a guide for software testers on how to convert requirements into test cases. Understand the requirements. Carefully review and understand the software requirements. If there are any ambiguities or uncertainties, seek clarification from the stakeholders or project team. Identify testable features. Break down the requirements into smaller, testable features or functionalities. Each feature should represent a distinct aspect of the software's behavior. Create a traceability matrix. Develop a traceability matrix that links each requirement to its corresponding test case. This helps ensure that every requirement is covered by at least one test case, and vice versa. Define test objectives. Clearly define the objectives of each test case. What specific aspect of the requirement will the test case verify? Be explicit about the expected outcome. Use equivalence partitioning. Identify different input conditions and use equivalence partitioning to group them. This technique helps in designing test cases that cover a range of inputs, ensuring thorough testing. Boundary value analysis. Test the boundaries of acceptable input values. This helps identify potential issues at the edges of the input domain, where errors are more likely to occur. Positive and negative testing. Design test cases to validate the system's positive behavior when it should work, and negative behavior when it should fail gracefully and handle errors appropriately. Consider functional and non-functional requirements. Test not only functional requirements, but also non-functional ones, such as performance, security, and usability. Create test cases that cover these aspects. Prioritize test cases. Prioritize test cases based on the criticality and importance of the corresponding requirements. This helps in efficient test execution, especially when time constraints are present. Iterative approach. Adopt an iterative approach, starting with basic functionalities and gradually expanding to cover more complex scenarios. This allows for early detection of issues and facilitates continuous testing. Use test case templates. Utilize standardized test case templates that include fields for test case ID, description, test steps, expected results, actual results, and status. This ensures consistency across test cases. Review and validation. Review test cases with stakeholders, developers, and other team members to gather feedback and ensure that the test cases accurately reflect the requirements. Automation consideration. Identify test cases that are suitable for automation. Automated testing can be especially beneficial for repetitive and time-consuming test scenarios. Update test cases as requirements change. Keep test cases up to date as requirements evolve. If there are changes or additions to the requirements, update the corresponding test cases accordingly. Execute and monitor test cases. Execute the test cases and monitor the results. Document any deviations from expected behavior and communicate these issues to the development team for resolution. Show your support. If you like this video, please support my work by clicking the like button below and subscribing for more content. Engage and share your feedback. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments, and feel free to share this with your friends and office colleagues. Learn, grow, and collaborate together. Let's embark on this learning journey together. Grow our skills, collaborate, and share our knowledge. Grab a pencil or computer and happy writing. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.